All eyes are on you. Many may have tried to block or sabotage or have the attention on you. And that's one of the reasons why you were being sabotaged in the past, because whoever was trying to restrict your growth, they could see your power, they could see your dominance, they could see your star quality, and they felt like if they hid you, if they sabotaged you in some way, then you wouldn't connect to the right people. You wouldn't get certain opportunities. You see, these individuals tried to play God in your life. And what they didn't understand is that they were part of the plan. Because of their behavior, they made you stronger. They made you see that you are actually a big deal, because if you was not a big deal, they wouldn't have stooped so low to try and steer you off your path. For some of you, they wanted this path for themselves. For others of you, they wanted this path for others. Just as long as it wasn't you, because they are threatened by you, scared of your talents and what you will do with it, studying you like they're studying for an exam. But regardless of the fact, all eyes are on you or will be on you. People will be studying you. How did you do it? Where did you learn that from? It could be a skill, it could be a talent, it could be a look. How did you heal from all the trauma that we projected onto you? Is what some people will be thinking. Other people will be thinking, how did they make it despite their background, despite their challenges? So that means that if they made it, that means I can make it. You're giving people hope. You are going to be successful in this life. Some of you are successful right now. Just the fact that you are not giving up makes you a success. And some of you are being respected for your role, for your position. Some of you are going to get into certain positions of prominence. Some of you are in certain positions of prominence, leadership positions, and a lot of people are looking up to you. A lot of people are happy for you. A lot of people feel like you've earned it, you deserved it, you worked hard for it, you've got the talent, you've got the skill, you've got the charisma, you've got the ambition for it. So those individuals that try to sabotage you and slow you down, their plan has failed. They wanted to isolate you. They wanted you to feel less than. They wanted you to feel unbalanced. They wanted to put an end to your journey. They didn't want you to take off. Now they have to watch too from the sidelines though. They wanted you to be outcasted. They tried to hold you back energetically, physically, whether that was by spiritually monitoring you, sabotaging connections, bad mouthing you to seniors or to individuals that could help you in your career. All that's over. Because for some of you, when these individuals were doing the most, they actually brought attention and fame to your name. People wanted to know, who is this person that you keep talking about? Because these individuals are obsessed with you, obsessed with your skills and your talents. For some of you, they want these skills and talents for themselves. For others of you, it doesn't have to be your skills and your talents. It could be how you look, your personality, how you're able to garner so much attention. And guess what? you're still going to get the attention. And you're not going to get attention for just looking good. People are drawn to your energy. You have charisma. You have star quality. You are high vibrational. You shift the energy of whatever room you enter. And these people couldn't stand it. They wanted to be the star girl or the star boy. And for some of you, you're quite oblivious to this quality, this magical quality that you possess. But others can see it. Many people are so intrigued about your life. What are you going to do next? Who are you dating? How are you going to look next? You could change your image a lot. Some of you are musicians. Some of you are artists. Some of you are sports individuals. Some of you are athletes. Some of you are in the public eye of whatever area of work that you work in. People are intrigued about your private life, and you are very private. People cannot get enough of you. And other people saw this too. So they tried to make you irrelevant. Maybe they reigned supreme at a time. And now they feel like the true queen or king is in town. Some of these individuals feel like they're old news. They were able to manipulate with money, status, who they knew, connections. You radiate through presence alone. You see, this is the Empress. The Empress is higher than all the queens. So even if they were the queen of the castle at one point, they cannot top the Empress. You are seen as a magician, magical, at the right place at the right time. Fake leaders who influence others through manipulation feel like they cannot come up against you because you are very influential. You have a way with your words, and people generally copy whatever you do. You give great advice. There is a relatability factor with you. You practice what you preach. Some of these leaders who are in these positions lack life experience, yet they want to dictate and tell people what to do. Now they're on the outside looking in. They try to block you, try to block opportunities, try to block you from excelling in your career. Now they're falling from grace, having to heal their broken heart because their worst fear has now become a reality. People cannot stop talking about you in a good way. Who are you? How can I collaborate with them? I know a person that is looking for someone like them. Are you an influencer? Are you a singer? Are you a model? Are you a rapper? Are you a fashion designer? Are you a hairdresser? Are you a nail technician? Like you are getting all of this. Some of you are going to be scouted for your skills and your talents. And some of these individuals know that. That's why they try to block you. And some of you could actually go viral. So even if these individuals blocked you in the past, in the physical, someone may scout you on social media. People will be singing your praises. People will be recommending you. People will be telling other people, oh, I know him, I know her. And this is what these people did not want. They didn't want you to be part of a group. They wanted you to be outcasted. They wanted you to feel like an outsider. Now they feel like an outsider. They were fearful that their friends will prefer you over them because they were wearing a mask. For some of you, they were pretending to be everything that you actually are. And you are the walking truth, the embodiment of who they will never be and who they were pretending to be. And you're just being in your natural state. You're authentic. You're original. You are before your time. That's why all eyes are on you. You march to the beat of your own drum. You are not a follower. My darling, you are a leader. Setting trends wherever you go. Smashing records. Becoming the standard. No more will you be stuck. No more will you play small. Investing in situations, projects, and not seeing them flourish. You were being blocked. Yeah, you were. Energetically and physically. And you were waiting for your ships to come in. And it didn't look like they were going to come in. You kept feeling like you were being left out in the cold. Every time you were getting close to something, someone came and snatched the opportunity away from you. But that was Spirit's way of leading you into a new direction. And now you've got options. You can pick and choose where you want to go. You are a master manifester. You see, these individuals didn't understand that they were pushing you further towards your purpose, further into your spirituality, further into your healing. And so you released. Yes, you manifested what you wanted, and then you detached. And now your blessings are rushing in. So it's almost like you and these individuals, whoever was trying to block you, were in an energetic fight. And you released. And that's how you won. And also by keeping the faith and working hard behind the scenes. You see, they thought that by sabotaging you, you'll give up on yourself. They thought they won. They celebrated too soon. And now they're sad. Clinging on to an old identity. And you're stepping into the new. You are working through your fears. You are continuing to heal. And because you're continuing to heal, you are looking amazing for it. Healing looks fabulous on you, darling. Absolutely gorgeous. You shine, you glow wherever you go. You have a universal appeal. People cannot put you in any box. Many people feel like they're in the presence of a superstar. All eyes are on you. You are magnificent. You are the whole package. These individuals knew it. But now they get to watch too. While others support, respect, and love you. You or the people of the signs Libra, Leo, Scorpio, Aries, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Aquarius, Pisces, Gemini, Sagittarius, Taurus, Aries, Pisces, Cancer, Taurus and Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars and Venus. You are going towards, if you're not already, in your winning season. I'm hearing that you are going to be pouring more love into yourself. You are going to be making more money. And this could be from the place that you work at or a side business. You look like money. You are abundant. And because you are spiritually abundant, my darling, you will attract the financial abundance that you so rightly deserve. Keep shining, keep winning, keep moving forward.